And by the way, somebody mentioned the Kikios in Armonk. Are you serious? Like, Armonk is leaving us in the dust. Why? Because of planning, which we have none of. Okay, so you're going to really say that Armonk, it looks great there and we should do it? Armonk is in the middle of town. Okay, it's not in between a railroad and a highway and a busy bridge with no land. I mean, they talk about a playroom in the thing. It's like a joke. I mean, listen, I got to give you guys credit from Conifer to get up here and do this demonstration with a straight face. I'm serious. This is a hard sell. I'm serious. I mean, you got the town board on your side, and I understand why you want to do it, and I respect you. Okay, but I got to give you credit for doing it with a straight face. There are other options also, so let's not pretend that there aren't. Okay, maybe with some planning, there would be. Like I've suggested, move our town hall and police department to Chapel Crossing, do a building here with a supermarket, 3 stories of residential above it, and then you take the affordables and mix it throughout the building. That's the way it's supposed to be. It's not supposed to be a building of just affordables. Okay, you talk about the threat of a lawsuit. Please, we're not even complying with the mandate. Okay, we have the people, the federal monitor, and we have the person who brought the lawsuit who's saying this is too isolated. So we're going to talk about a lawsuit and we're going to lose when the people who brought the lawsuit are on our side and the federal monitor said this property is too isolated and we should be afraid of a lawsuit. Let's not hide behind the lawsuit if you want to pass your agenda. And by the way, listen, I think we all know how the vote's going to go as far as 2 and 2. We haven't heard from Elise, and that's fine. That's your right. But as far as transparency, you happen to be the swing vote, and we haven't heard from you yet. So, I mean, that's not really fair to the community when the person who's really going to be deciding this issue has not spoken out as their position. Highly unlikely.